Well, a very good morning and welcome on this Sunday morning to our live broadcast of morning worship to our AllFather Odin and our Welsh God Gwydion. It's Pastor Julian here speaking to you. Very special Sunday indeed, as from today and for all future services, I shall be introducing the tarot cards that I have designed entirely in our Welsh language. These are the only tarot cards in the entire world produced entirely in the Welsh language. And so before we go to the sanctuary to offer the morning offerings to our AllFather Odin and our Welsh God Gwydion, we should reflect on the S7, the star card chosen for this particular Sunday. So in a moment of quiet reflection, let's contemplate the star card Seren for this Sunday morning. Well, a very good morning and welcome to this live broadcast of Sunday morning worship. And so we begin with the Hail Dargar. Hail Dargar Sinir, Hail Nocht och Nipt or Reithum Achum, Leithith Okra Thinnig, Och giveth Sityon dom Sigir. Hail ya Asir, Hail a hos Sinjur, Hail Sior in nitun fold mol ac manvit, giveth okra baron fem, och last nis Henry, Mithium, livum. And so here in the sanctuary, in the peace and in the safety of this holy place, we come together before the holy flame burning before us live, the presence of the divine amongst us. And so we begin now the offerings of the morning. And we'll hear in Welsh the offerings being given. Light before us, mystic holy flames, sanctuary of peace and wisdom, illumination of love and peace, light of the divine, bless us with your light. Cola ni hol blaen ni, flamau'r sanctaidd cyfrin, noddfa heddwch ar dwy'r thyneb, coleo cariad a heddwch, goleuni a drifiol bendithiannu bolannu. By this light, we are in stillness, wisdom before us, divinity before us. May these holy flames ascend our prayers. Gana colai ni hwn, radimiwn llaniddoch, doi'r thyneb gerin bron, dwi'n nefiaeth o'n blaen, ba fuddiaeth flamau sancti'r hyn,
esgyn hyn gwyddiau. And so we conclude the morning prayers with the Lord's Prayer in the reconstructed ancient Norse language. Feddrwy, ffwrdd ei alto hil fannu, sydd i'n namau algord, tobig mathin rydja, I war a thin wila, oner o waswam, hithair thnu. Ornei a naif wam liken laf, swilly horse to die. And for new force or a glithas, swaswa way for away, thom gultendom. And nial ar thus har custom ge, ac e lose hurs of a villa, soth legia. And so we conclude the morning worship, as we do every Sunday, by singing the hymn, With Joy We Meditate. From here in the sanctuary life on this Sunday morning, my blessings to you all as your pastor. Happy Sunday.